Hello, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, hello.
Konstantin from PayMob. Today I have this simple tool, smartphone, Android one, to demonstrate you our very brand new and fresh soft POS. It means we turned a physical device into an application. And now let me switch a screen to my laptop. First of all, I want to demonstrate you how exactly it works. And for your convenience, I will stream exactly the content from my smartphone. It's just a normal Android smartphone. Yeah, this is BlackBerry. Thanks for Canadians, but this is normal smartphone. So let me move the screen a little bit back. Okie dokie. Now it works. So this is my personal bank card, the real one, and our solution could turn any Android smartphone into a point-of-sale terminal to accept card payments. I would say more, to accept all contactless payments. So now I'll log in with my personal cashier credentials, and let me charge myself by $12 and do it by using my smartphone. I don't have printer, but also we can print physical paper receipts. Again, this is my card, and this is my smartphone. Basically, we turned an MVC model, and we reverted it, not to pay by phone, to accept payments by phone. Let me do it just in the front of you. Just tapping your phone. My internet is slow. Let me try again. Yeah, and it's done. We've just performed the very first card payment by using a normal Android smartphone. That's it. And also we gather GPS coordinates where it took place. And the solution itself could be very useful for queue busting, for transportation industry to tap and use public transport. Also, we can empower retailers with this solution, and this is really powerful, and it will make almost every shop as Apple Store, when every staff member will be able to sell you immediately anything you need. I wouldn't say that we've invented this application and this is the only application. It's because it also required a very huge back end. It must be PCI DSS compliant, certified, etc., etc. And now I'll show you, as I'm really demoing what we have, our interface. Our backend has a few things. First of all, we have a terminal management system, even if it's a virtual terminal. Also, we have an admin panel to manage merchants. We have a merchant portal, merchant dashboard to provide all of this data. Do you remember I charged myself by $12 or so? And by the way, at the same time, we can perform a refund to the same contactless device. And this is my $12 payment, and let's find it here on a list of transactions. Here we go. We can email it, we can print it out, and it has GPS coordinates. And that's what we love, and that's what we do. It wasn't too easy to get it done. We spent a lot of time, and actually we are performing level 1 functional and level 2 security certification with Europe-based labs to be able to, and to be fully compliant, to launch a pilot with Visa and MasterCard programs. Why I'm here and what exactly I'm looking for. First of all, I'm happy to tell you about the technology we have built so far. And we have two business lines. First of all, we are aiming to launch this technology by ourselves. We are based in London. That's why we consider the UK market as our initial market to kick off as the solution. But also, we offer this solution under white label. And opportunities for this solution could be outstanding, because what we do have and what we offer is we have our own in-house proprietary developed application, and we can provide it by ourselves. Also, as I mentioned, we can white label a whole solution, and also we are thinking to build an SDK on a later stage, maybe at the end of the year, to empower almost every bank around the globe to add this feature to their business mobile application, to make able all customers to accept contactless payments. Now, the technology, it's impossible to accept payments over the CVM limit. That's why now we accept only payments without PIN. This means a limit of £30 in the UK, 50 euros in Europe, or 50 American dollars in the States. But if a person would like to use their iPhone or Samsung or whatever device or wearable device to pay, there is no limit. It means every single merchant will be able to sell any product with amount counts in thousands of dollars by using just a simple, almost any Android device. That's what we have, and today we are talking to a few partners from the Middle East, from Europe, UK, Africa, and this is a very effective payment acceptance method, especially for Sierra Leone, where so many foreigners want to pay by their cards. What they can't is because physical devices are hugely expensive, especially for emerging markets. Thank you, guys. Thanks.